Electric. Today I want to introduce LSP from the vertical ball mill. This ball mill is 1,000 kg capacity, and the mini time around 3 to 5 hours each batch. So the hours capacity is around 200 kg. You can see this machine is raw as a stainless steel nipper, and the big power motor will give power to the maize tractor to melt chocolate into 18 to 25 refinish. This table chocolate tank and chocolate pipe, and the electrical filter. After mill, the chocolate will go to chocolate holding tank, then go to like decorating and coating and eroding machines to make a finer chocolate. More machines, please contact us. Thank you.